Hi there, my name's Tim from Barbecues Galore, and today we're excited to talk to you about the Treasure Garden Cantilever series of umbrellas. We have here the AG25 model, which has a weighted base, an aluminum frame, and the famous umbrella fabric, which is available in different colors. As the sun moves throughout the day, you have the ability to change the position of the canopy. It has three movements it can do. One is the tilt of the left and right, and then it also moves forward and backwards. And it also has a foot pedal on the bottom here. As you press it down, you're able to circle the canopy. It'll do a 360-degree turn all the way around you if you want. The AG25 series is available in two sizes, the 10-foot square and the 11.5-foot octagon. And we also have the AKZ Plus series, which has all the same capabilities and features as the AG series, but is available in a larger 13-foot octagon or a 10 by 13-foot rectangle shape. All models have a 2-year frame warranty and a 5-year fabric warranty on the canopy. For more information, you can visit us at barbecuesgalore.ca. Thanks for watching.